Hey friends, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Notion account. So you want to open up your browser and simply go to notion.com. So once you type in notion.com, you'll be headed over to the official website of Notion. And once you do that, especially if you have a Google account, you will see that it automatically pops up on the upper right and say if you would like to continue with your Google account. You can do that to quickly create an account, of course. So I can quickly do that and I'll be able to sign in with my Google account. Now, if you don't want to go that route, you can simply go ahead and choose the upper right hand side and choose get Notion for free. And you will see that you're able to get an account, right? So you'll be able to create an account directly from this. So you just need to wait until that page loads. And from here, you can quickly create an account or sign in with your Google account. You can sign up with Apple, Microsoft, and you can even use a passkey, or you can use single sign-on as well if you're having an organization account. So if you're working in an organization, you use your organization email, then you can use single sign-on with that as well. Now, in my case, I'm going to simply use the Google account. As you can see, it says continue with Google, or you can do it from the upper right hand side if you already sign into your Google account. So I'm going to just choose that option right here. Go ahead and select my Google account, scroll down, go ahead and click on continue. And that's all that I really have to do to create a Notion account. And as you can see right here, how do you want to use Notion? You can say for whatever. I'm going to say for personal life as an example, and I can say on my own. Now the next option is says, how do you want to use Notion? You can say with others, or you can say for your own use. I'm going to choose that right now for my own use. And the next thing it says, what's on your mind? You can say whatever. So I'm going to say maybe books and medias, to-do list, and things like that, right? Personal finance and so forth, right? Project tracking. These things can be very useful as well. So I'm going to choose those for now and just go ahead and click and continue. Keep in mind that you can go ahead and you can skip some of these options right here. You don't have to do them. You can leave them for a later point in time, and you can just, it will take you right back into Notion. Right here, you can also get the desktop application. You can install it right now, or you can install it a bit later. So during the overall setup, you can download the application and install it on your PC and just sign in with your credentials for there. For now, I'm going to skip that and I'll show you how that works a bit later. Now from here, you also have the option to, pair your calendar if you want to. You can do that now, or you can do it a bit later. I'm going to skip that step for now as well. And as you can see, it says getting ready, and within a couple of seconds it should load me right into Notion. And this is Notion, guys, the first look at how to create a Notion account. Now if you want to learn more about Notion, hit that subscribe button, let me know in the comments below, and I'll be more than happy to share with you future videos. In any case, I'll be creating a dedicated playlist showing you how to use Notion. So if you would like to learn more about Notion, I highly recommend that you subscribe to the channel and go ahead and check out the playlist as soon as I release future videos, and those videos will be coming out very soon. So that's it, guys. That's how to go ahead and create a Notion account. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.